what the little boy said. Hold on.
This happen now,
Robert.
these are so much stupid things is happening.
Robert.
You understand? So much stupid things are
Robert,
happening.
listen to this. Robert.
Yes.
When you say little while say,
Yes, sir.
the little boy talk how we go. When
I'm
the
hearing you.
auntie, how the auntie attacks the situation go. When them question the little boy say, no, I'm not sorry, boy, when the little boy attack.
Yeah,
when we tell them what the little boy say, you know, say, no, nothing can go so, no, nothing can go so. Continue. Why?
You know, sir.
Nothing can go so.
You know, so the man when they create the diversion with the pan. Hold on.
Boy, jump. They said the
man-
little
the
boy
man-
said that he jumped on that
Paul,
one
make your man
sighting.
talk, no man.
You understand?
Speak over him, man, no man.
And you know, and the auntie say the little boy come home from school and come home, and then when she must say she go somewhere and talk because the story at first she said she was there, and then she said she go out and come in, and when she pull the door and rush in at the room, oh, can you just come from somewhere and just rush in at the room and make an alarm say the person is not missing?
You must know something. I hear you hear
Because you know
something.
what already take place.
Yes.
You're not even ask your neighbor them before you call the police.
A principal in call.
Because out of fear. So these people, you must know something. They give away themselves right there, so.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
you know what? You know what I'm saying? Why the mother of
Yes.
the
And the principal, and them, those people who said the little boy was at the school spending money. Oh, you can tell exactly amount the money that the little boy get.
And just for a minute.
Oh, you can tell the exactly figure amount of money the
Understand.
little boy was spending at the school.
And then Shanique now, I got the principal house got changed. So all the principals so involved in the mix of everything. Why?
Shanique said never
Shanique got
got
the
the change.
principal.
Shanique said she
Never
never
got
got the
change.
change. Then why Mr. T, why Shanique mother would have give Mr. T the key to give Shanique,
The key,
and
right.
Mr. T now work over Mandeville Hospital. So there is no way Mr. T could have key over
Exactly.
Mandeville Hospital.
Exactly.
Lord have mercy.
And then the key is for the principal. And she never got a change. All right, put that one side. The key is for the principal. And then when and claims the
So the key come in place. You can't put where the key. Shanique mother work for the principal. How the key reach a Shanique mother yard? Because of Shanique mother. Who Shanique mother give the key? In husband. Who give the key for deliver it to Shanique? Where Shanique can go?
Exactly.
Oh dear. Let me tell you what the place name. Not Perchy. It is Gearsland Meadows. Right out there. So on your way to Perchy, and your left hand, you're turning the big sign put up. Out there. So when you get the key for just hold and shake up, and she said she never did go nowhere with Mr. T. Talk and meet him and game around 10 o'clock. You know, say people are liars, man.
Yeah, and what I'm saying, Mr. Motor. All right, so for instance, Shanique never got
All
there
right.
as well. She never got there as well, she said. Hold on. She never got there as well, she said.
Next
So all the
important
principals
question.
all the principals
Where
that
in
mix that
Mandeville
much,
Hospital, there is nowhere in Mandeville Hospital someone can pay and change.
Yes.
The case is already solved. It's just the police them need to do their work.
Thank you.
And the
Thank you.
first person mother call is the principal. And Shanique have key for the principal, and then the principal say him don't know them. So I don't understand.
You don't understand, say appeal like you tell. No, don't say you don't understand. You see, if you say no, me understand, say appeal like you tell.
Like, exactly. Yes. So he must say him not know them at the same time.
to find
interact with them.
and the principals will having an affair.
The principal there with the two of them. When the woman down here in there with him and when the daughter come a film time. Because if you look on the statement, look big based on how the thing are run. She live over so and she have the key and half him a work. The same there with him coming out put nothing past him, man. You know, so you don't see type of record. When the man there and how the man are deal with things and when the girl come in there with him. We not put nothing past the man because the man cruel and the man wicked.
Then the girl said
skill.
Mr. T rape grape her, you know.
Already.
I don't know how true that is.
Way back when she and Mr. T and a friend, I look at Mr. T a cover up for him. No. If Mr. T pass in place with you, at that time me know say Mr. T named Omar Thompson. So Omar Thompson pass in place with a girl like couple of years well. We here. You understand from a good source. So you man a friend, as the Mr. T said, he will put in life on the line. Fair. Mr. T said, we put in neck on the block, and Mr. T, you will lose your head. Because Mr. T never did know Shanique flight history. So Shanique come in at Jamaica early, and Shanique distant himself to tell Jamaican people, say, in coming late, to make we say, you know, have nothing to do with the crime. Because when they tell we something, we're going to listen what she say, and we're not going to get in flight history. If we never do that, she would get you with that lie. Shanique arrived in MBJ, Montego Bay, Jamaica, 9:05 a.m. She and her and her husband, you hear? And upon record that day. So you know what happened. You know what a cracker strike. The people they murder the little boy. And the man do everything to cover it up. But me know say God no sleep.
Him now we underpants, now we a pyjama.
Anyhow he gone out, him a come back. If God gone, remember him a come back. That's why they jump out on Perth Road so and them a stamp Perth Road in every Jamaican mind, and every Jamaican forehead, like a cow stamp on his foot. Them a pressure with Perth Road, them a stamp Perth Road to make we lose distraction. Cause once you say Perth Road and she say when the rain a fall, one a Jayden a go per road, one man cannot come down the road and just see him and just that for just coming at the man mind for just take Jayden, throw him in a van and gone with Jayden. So all them a do is to show the public Jayden and Perth Road and that and that. That time me know say if the government and foreign man to come and grow another yard there, in and a half and search the yard they carry with big dog, we find Jayden's skeleton in a ground. Remember me tell you, ask nobody. Murderer them.
That's why I said the closest place to where he was unalive, his body is closest to that place. Because no one not gonna be driving around with
honestly,
body.
everyone who round at that yard know about it.
Up to Jayden,
Honestly, you know, say, and it coming in my spirit. You know that they never get rid of. To me, they never get rid of that body the very same day.
You talk truth, man. Let me not tell them, look here, man, like first year company
You
life.
never get rid of that
here,
body the
brother,
very
I
same
tell you,
day.
God, really a war. Everything done from the Thursday night, Jayden unalive and in that house for the Thursday night, broke into Friday.
But God is gonna reveal
Early Friday morning, probably about in a 1 when the doctor told them that the baby leg was broken.
Yes.
That's when the murdering starts.
I tell you that. I tell you that.
the person.
Jayden never go school. Jayden never go school.
The person with the biggest secret who is doing the biggest covering up is who?
The principal of the biggest covering.
You see the lady where Jayden did live with her auntie or who? She's doing the biggest covering up. That lady at the house is doing the biggest covering up.
But for how long?
And the lady at the house, she know about everything.
I hope in sheet,
They
Brad.
pretty like say she don't know nothing.
I hope in sheet when take a
Believe
cover
you
up.
me.
I hope in
She
sheet,
know
Brad.
everything will take place.
I hope
She's
in
covering
sheet,
up for the
Brad. When have a
girl
cover
because
up. I
of
hope in
money.
sheet, Brad. Hope in sheet, rather than
When
Broadway.
everything come out, you're gonna see how much person. Some them are gonna
That day is
confess.
coming. That
Wicked
day is
woman.
coming.
Good
Breaking
Good night,
news.
everyone.
Breaking
I just
news.
hope you hear my voice. I wonder how everyone sleep in
soon
peace.
and very soon.
Soon and very soon.
You know, so the man that create the diversion.
Robert. Good
With the
night.
pan.
Oh, you know that he's not the lady, the little boy, and kill him.
Anything
The auntie.
possible. Anything possible.
Yes.
But if it shall be revealed.
That's not family member, no grandmother, no grandfather, no
Them
cousin,
not
nobody.
do no
we-
search. You know, see, them not put out no effort.
Nobody we hear or talk about it. Only we and the panel here and other blogger.
Them were saying, people are accused. I hear them say people. Yeah, I hear them say people even they were saying that people is accusing them, so them now go search you know.
Nobody ever accuse them.
Oh, you cannot want search your family. The reason why you're down, you're not searching because you know exactly where.